Hey you guys, I just wanted to show you all the leaves that piled up by the garage door. They get once they get trapped down here in a windstorm, they're here. So I gotta clean them up real quick before the Xfinity race. But a lot of them blew away because I had to. I had moved some of them over here on the wall, and then the windstorm came, and it was here for like 3 days, and I guess they went across the street. Sorry about that, but what are you gonna do? It was an act of God. That's what Jody says. It's an act of God. But anyway, let me get to work. At least get these. They're nice and dry so I can torch them. And they'll vaporize. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Bye.